Hello everyone, my name is Sigisusa Pliratu, and together with Intracom Telecom's team, we will be presenting the marketplace. The marketplace is implemented under the umbrella of the Omega X project, which orchestrates an interoperable, sovereign, federated multi-vector data space built on open standards and aligned with Gaia X principles. The marketplace is an innovative platform which enables data-driven energy solutions through a federated and interoperable data space. So let's start by how the necessity of a unique data bank arose by defining the importance of the marketplace existence. At first, the transition from traditional data catalogs to a unified, innovative data space changed the way of data sharing. The unification of data catalogs brought the aggregation of scattered energy data into one more user-friendly and easily accessible energy data space, simplifying at the same time the energy data exchange for the interested users. The energy data space offers a beneficial for the user environment, characterized by data sovereignty, trust, and secure data exchange. On top of that, it allows data flows across sectors and European countries, offering high quality of various data that could foster innovation and collaborations. Finally, it ensures fair and clear regulations that are fully respected. To visualize this unified data repository and make the data exchange available to the stakeholders, the marketplace comes as a solution, being the entry point for the interested users into the data space. The marketplace offers an intuitive graphical user interface, a portal, with essential management operations that serve the data management, such as the user's registration, management of the data offerings, the searching and contracting of the offerings, the management of the participants. Therefore, a marketplace can only be beneficial for the users through its advantages, which concern easy discovery and data acquisition for the users, promotion and sales opportunities for the providers. On the user side, important benefits include a variety of offerings aggregated on one platform, as well as the ability to compare the different options. Based on its user preferences, specific offerings can be recommended to each user, resulting in a more efficient searching system. In addition, users can enjoy the freedom of data accessibility with a simplified purchase process for all the offerings, which are consolidated finally into a centralized account. From the provider's perspective, the marketplace increases the exposure and visibility of their offerings, having the possibility to address and advertise their products to a wider audience. This way, they result into the increase of their sales volumes. Additionally, they can reduce their marketing costs and gain access to consumers' evaluation and ratings. The aforementioned advantages give the marketplace significant economic and social value. Within the Omega X project, the marketplace enables the discovery and contracting of Omega X services, supporting this way the realization of various use case families. As you can see in the figure, the different use case families focus on the renewables, the local energy communities, the flexibility, and the electromobility. Within the Omega X project, over 20 data analytics services have been developed. Examples of such services include PV generation forecasting or detection of congestion within the electrical network, as well as detection of electrical losses and planning services. In addition, services related to flexibility aggregation and offer through demand response or use of distributed energy resources or electrical vehicles are provided. Lastly, services concerning electrical vehicles, such as charging point reservations, are also included. All these developed services could not be feasible without the data spaces and greatly benefit from the data exchange. In the following slide, the marketplace architecture is illustrated within the Omega X ecosystem. The marketplace's framework is characterized by three core functionalities: the order management that enables the contract negotiation, the user management providing tools for their secure access, their roles and allowances, and finally the data and service offerings management, which allows searching and publishing of data offerings. Then, these three core functionalities are connected to the federated infrastructure that includes interfaces for the main data space components, the identity management, the data exchange services, and the various connectors. Through these interfaces, the exchange of necessary information, data and metadata is enabled, allowing seamless integration of data and services for different users as constrained by their contracts. Then, some of the core functionalities which are already operational are presented, involving user enrollment, offering management, contract management, and notifications. According to the enrollment functionality, the users can register their organization, invite other users, and log in. Then, under offering management, users can add, search, and manage data and service offerings. Under the contract management functionality, the platform enables contract negotiation, acceptance, cancellation, or suspensions of service contracts, and management of an offering payment. Finally, notifications are sent to the users in case of profile updates, modifications in the marketplace environment, or regarding an offering to purchase. Here is a brief demo of the Omega X Marketplace. On the home page, you can find more information about the project. First, an interested user needs to log in. To do so, the user selects the login area at the top right, where their credentials are used to gain access to the marketplace, authorized by Keycloak server. Next, by tapping the Search tab on the left, the user can view the available datasets or services. Then at the list on the top left, a dataset or service provider can select the Provide tab to offer a new dataset or a service by completing the necessary information. Such information are the title, a description, a URL, a logo image, price, policy, and terms and conditions. Afterwards, in the search page, a user, provider or consumer can see the new offering made by the provider. By tapping the Details tab, they can access further information about the offering. Then, on the consumer side, they can log in the same way and look into the available offerings. If they are interested in a specific offering, they can request a contract and proceed. Finally, the user can visit their dashboard and check their contracted services or datasets, as well as browse additional provided offerings. To conclude this presentation, we encourage you to explore the marketplace and join the Omega X community, contribute by providing further or engage with existing offerings, become part of this innovative energy data ecosystem.